In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to create and verify your OKX account. So what I recommend you guys doing is simply, I'm using my iOS device, simply tap on App Store. On an Android, you simply have to head to the Google Play Store. Then tap on search. Tap on search. What I recommend you do is tapping on the search bar here. Search for OKX. Now here's that was the first ad that pops up, or you can simply scroll down and choose this. You also say you have to simply tap on the install button and install it. After installing it, what I then recommend you guys do is simply to open it. Now when you open it, this is what you'll be presented with here. You being a new user, I recommend you tapping on the sign up button here. My current location is in Ghana, so I'll simply apply with their terms. Tap on create account. Now inputting your email address here. Having a referral code, simply tap on it and then inputting this referral code here, 85617263. You end up getting some few rewards. Tap on confirm. Then this your referral and this your email address. Simply tap on sign up next. Verify this capture here. Now you have to simply head to your email address and the code has been sent into your email address. Simply copy the code and paste it here. Now automatically after copying the code, just paste it. Now next, what you guys simply inputting your phone number. I'll go ahead and do it, but I'll show it. Code will be sent into your phone number. Simply paste that code here. Now here you have to create a strong password. So what I recommend you guys is simply create a strong password. I'll go ahead and do mine. Tap on next. Now confirm where you live. You have to simply confirm it, guys. Just make sure you're honest with them and they'll be honest with your accounts. Tap on next. Now automatically on OKX, you just simply go ahead and with your verification process here. I think that's so on other platforms too. Now I'll choose national ID card. Tap on next. Now the verification, get your verification ID. You'll be using your cell phone to scan it. So tap on start verification. Now as you can see here, this is a front side section. Simply go ahead and verify your ID on the front section using your camera. Simply scan it, actually do everything for you. And some advice is to make sure you are within an area where light is, so that you don't struggle with the verification process, guys. And this is it. I've already verified my OKX account. And now this is it, guys. This is how to create and verify your OKX account. I'll also leave the link down in the description below. You can click on it. We will earn some few commission, but you also earn some few rewards while trading on OKX, such as low fees, charges, and other stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.